everybody, my name is JulieB. Welcome to, this isn't my kitchen, my sister's kitchen in the childhood home of Blake Shelton. I'm gonna fix dinner tonight, something new that I've never fixed before, and I'm gonna use my way. I made some chicken enchiladas and they turned out pretty good. Oh, I need one more thing. Let me see if I can find it. Maybe not. Anyway, that's okay. We can do with what we got. Anyway, I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you what we're going to use. And it's real simple. So anyway, here we go. Okay, so my sister fixed brisket yesterday, and I'm gonna cut this up, shred it up or whatever, and use this. We've got corn tortillas. We're gonna do rice, and I'm gonna use this. Oh, I know what I need to look for. Philadelphia cream cheese. We're gonna soften that in the microwave. Red enchilada sauce. I am not going to make mine. And cheese. Let me go see if I can find some tacos salsa. I'm gonna also use the rest of the salsa verde mild and then some salsa. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna chop up the brisket.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, We used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Okay, now what I'm doing here is I am taking my cream cheese and I'm putting it in my beef now, in my brisket. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be adding in my salsas. I'm going to open up my tortillas. I'm going to warm them up. I'm going to put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds with a wet towel, moist towel like this, and get them warm so they'll be easier to roll and they won't break in the process of you rolling them. But like you need to make sure you can use any kind of salsa you want. You can use Rotel if you want. It doesn't matter, you make it your own. That's what I always say. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I am going to put my meat in my corn tortilla and I'm going to roll them. And I'm going to make sure, and you don't have to put any cheese in it because you've got cream cheese in it. That's the whole point of this. It's gluten-free. I mean, you know, corn tortillas, it's healthy. And it's a good protein. So this is what you do is you just take it, do this, and you roll them up. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the rest of it, since I don't have enough room in my baking pan for any more. So I'm going to put the rest of my mixture, my brisket mixture on top, and then I'm going to pour the enchilada sauce on top of this. Make sure you shake your jar, or you can find a recipe online and make your own. And then what I do after I do the enchilada sauce, I put cheese on top of it and I bake it at 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to make the rice. I put 1 cup of water, to 1 can of Rotel. Or, you can get the Great Value or whatever. But I add that to my pan. I bring it to a boil. Then I let it simmer for 20 minutes. And I put a little bit of chili powder in it. Just enough for a taste. And then it'll be ready in 20 minutes. Okay, my friend, that is dinner. We'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, so that is it for my video tonight. I had to think. Anyway, I hope y'all try this recipe, and I hope y'all enjoy it, and we will talk to you later. See you, bye.